Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from this particular platform that I have showed you in my first video. If you want to check out everything you want to know about this current application, check out the link in the description below. You'll see the video I created on how I made this money I have on my account. So today we're going to look about how to withdraw from this application. So let's get started. So what you have to do is to go on and tap me. From me you go on and tap withdraw. From withdraw you go on and you put in the amount, for example 40,000. Then down here you put in your name, then you go on and put in your MTN number. And that's it. You go on and put in your number. So after finishing you go on and tap confirm. This is the amount I will receive. It is 32,800. I'll come back after I've received this amount and update you on my video. So you go on and click confirm. It's the first withdraw. Please contact customer service for confirmation. So you go on and tap customer service and you confirm your withdraw. Now let's wait for the withdraw method to arrive. After it arrives, then we shall know that, as you can see, our money has reached. Our money has reached to our account. So it is true, and it is paying. The application is paying. So you can open up your accounts and start enjoying this money if you want to start earning your passive income from this particular application. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.